lamb curry. The lamb curry is really incredible. So many spices mixing with the good, high-quality meat.
What we're gonna break into now is a curried lamb.
A chettinad lamb curry.
All right, let's see it.
I'm going to marinate this lamb stew, garam masala powder, cumin powder, chili powder, fennel powder, coriander powder, oil, curry leaves, some salt, ginger garlic paste,
Okay.
yogurt, mint, cilantro.
And how long are we gonna marinate the lamb?
8 to 12 hours.
All right, chef.
This is the masala mix for the lamb.
Cardamom,
Mace.
mace that's on the outside of the nutmeg.
Exactly. right.
Okay.
Do you know what is this?
It looks like some type of a moss.
This
Like
is
tree
this
bark.
is yeah. This is a lichen.
We got tree bark, wing of bat.
Cloves, fennel seed,
Okay.
cumin seed, peppercorns, bay leaf,
Star anise,
cinnamon, coriander.
coriander. And what is that little funky thing?
Seed, Marathi mocha.
Ah, that's what I was gonna call it.
This is kind of a caper.
But dried,
Poppy seed, curry leaves,
of course.
and some red chilies.
So you give this a nice little toast?
Yeah.
Where are you getting all your spices from, chef?
From Albuquerque.
That's usually where I go for my heavy Indian spices, Albuquerque.
Add water. I want a smoother paste.
And now we're gonna build the dish.
Yeah. Fennel seed,
Star anise,
peppercorns, green cardamom,
bay leaf, clove, the mace, the funky pod thing.
yeah, and cinnamon, cumin, onions.
Okay.
Add a little salt, turmeric, and it cooks for like 15 minutes. And then we add ginger garlic paste, and then the tomatoes,
Then marinated lamb goes in
and the chettinad masala.
that we made.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stew this down
For like 1.5 hours, and then we'll add the cashew paste.
at the very end.
Now the lamb curry is ready to taste.
Spice oil, got it. Daikon and carrot, beets, mint.
Yeah, cherry tomatoes. That's it.
Now, do you take the rice to the lamb or the lamb to the rice?
However you like it.
That's what I want to do, is jump right in it. I want you to think about your favorite beef stew when you were a kid. And then I want you to think that your cousin from India decided to make you their family's version of it. It's rich, it's hearty. I'm getting spice, I'm getting smoke, I'm getting acid, and a little bit of heat. It's all over the board,
Thank you.
but delicious.
Chettinad lamb curry.
So tender, and it melted in my mouth.
You combine the sweet and the spicy with the lamb and the rice together. It's very tasty.